Hello, my viewers. Thank you for constantly watching our video. My name is Rexsam, the solar doctor, the celebrity engineer. I am always available to give you information and detailed information that will help you in running your installations independently, in starting up your solar business without anyone distracting you, in learning everything you need to know about solar energy, in making inquiries, and I am always available to answer questions that pertain solar energy and its installations. This is a solar business and we're in the solar world. If you are part of the community, I want to say thank you for constantly watching. Do not forget to click on the subscription button if you're not subscribed, and ensure that you are part of this community. At the end, you have every value that you desire in this channel. Today, I have something to tell you that we are going to discuss about. I have 7.0 kilowatt energy that we generated, and I want you to follow me to site if you are an installer or someone that is about to start installation, a beginner or a professional. This video is precisely dedicated for you. Follow me to site as I show you the step-by-step ways which we were able to generate 7.0 kilowatt using lithium batteries. And in this video, you will learn how the installation started from the scratch to the finishing. You learn how the battery was sized, how the inverter was sized, and also how the panel was sized. Even the roof assessment that we did on top of the job. You will learn every details and you will execute your own. So let's go as we take the panels. This is how the panel is loaded to a vehicle and the truck was able to carry them to the sites. So this is 500 watt solar panel, and each of the 500 watt solar panel is being loaded to the truck. We carefully carried all the panels without breaking any of them along the road or during the process of conveying it to the project site. So we now hit the road, and this is the way we took off to Enugu, Maryland in Nigeria. So here is the route we took to the place. Our route is very clear because our driver could drive effectively, and getting to the site, we offloaded the solar panels and individually observed to ensure that none of them is broken in order to have effective generation of solar light. Then we took the roof assessment by taking the measurements of the height and also the width at which we are going to mount the solar panel on top of the roof. After that, we arranged our array mount. Here, we couldn't find scaffold in the environment, so we decided to make use of ladder. After assessing the roof, we noticed the pattern that would work effectively is by the use of aluminum profile. So we decided to adopt the method and use it in hanging the panel. Here the panel is going up with the people working with me. All the panel were taken up individually, and remember, our solar panel is half cut. That is to say, it is half cut and one person can not actually carry it all alone on top of the roof. So there needed to be two in order to get the proper arrangement and positioning of the solar panel. As the solar panel is being positioned, then the connections also went ahead. All these processes are the stages we took in order to ensure that the 7.0 kilowatts energy is generated. So we took the time, we had a very good time, which helped us to ensure that the job is properly done. So whenever you are running your installation, you should observe the positioning of the panel, then carry them carefully in order not to get them broken, because the moment the panel is broken, the efficiency of the system drops because the solar energy that will be generated will not be enough again to power your solar, or it will not be enough again to recharge your battery, or even to for it to be used during the daytime. So it is important you ensure that the security of the panel is maintained, thereby avoiding anything that could cause damage or the panel to be broken. So we are done with the mounting, and you can see the arrangement we did. We did 2 by 2, trying to get 7 system. That is, we patterned it in such a way that we paired them and had 7 pairs. So this is the way we did it. And here is the inverter system. This is 10 kVA with 10 kilowatts of lithium battery. So this battery is positioned, as you can see the arrangement. After trunking it, we have to send it to the distribution bus. The distribution bus is actually the place where the loads is being fed and the consumption takes place at that point. Our connection is properly done with the charge controller of 80 amps that we use in charging it. So this is the system working already. As you can see that the power has been generated and been transmitted, and as it is being transmitted, it is also distributed in the segments of the house. Each apartment has its own. As you can see, the complete building that we use it to power. We use it to power these 2 ACs. The 2 ACs, one works during the day and the other works during the night. So sometimes it is meant to carry 2 of them depending on the number of people that are available. And when that is done, our solar system has the ability to handle all the loads in this house. So this is the way we are able to generate the system of 7.0 kilowatts energy with 10 kVA inverter and 10 kilowatts of lithium battery. So if you are looking for the system that will work for you, kindly watch our videos, ask your questions. I can give you designs and equally implement the designs also. We equally help you in reviewing your products, making sure that the product you are using is what is needed. This is our client who felt so happy when he saw how excellent his job was delivered. So he's so glad to see the system working, because a lot think that solar doesn't serve, but now he see it practically that solar energy is actually what powers the whole of this house. And the young man is marveled and decided to ask us to take him round so he could see the kind of job we delivered. And he followed diligently, and all the rooms were powered. So he was so glad and decided to say thank you for recommending us, and thank you also for always coming to do solar system. The man is so glad. And see the worker, one of the workers that handled the job, the man insists that a picture or a photograph must be taken to document this memory. I know you are gaining value in this documentary that I'm doing now, but I want to tell you that if you keep watching our video, more of our videos will be posted, and I'll be showing you different patterns of doing it, just as the man is glad, telling others to ensure that they adapt to solar system and to make sure that they get connected to Rexsam engineering, because we are the only person in Nigeria that can deliver your job with trust, just as we agreed. See the smile on his face, and he smiled like a good client. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.